Hi, it's Faye at Faye's Journal Emporium. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new Halloween themed journal to share with you. It's a ghost theme, and I was inspired by Amy from Crafty Cat USA and her Spooky Past kit that she just put out. Fabulous, the colors are amazing. And so I have used her kit and several others. I will list those beneath the video information. In the time that we have, I'm just going to flip through the journal because it's pretty chunky. 2 signatures, 168 pages, 6 by 9 with a 1.5-inch spine. It's a soft covered journal. I don't know if you can see this. When I did the picture, I'm going to stand up. When I did the picture, I covered it with netting so that it looked more ghostly. I've used some Prima flowers, some netting, and then there's a Foolish Mortals. That's from Tim Holtz. It's a Tim Holtz frame, Tim Holtz fabric, and then tied with a sari silk ribbon. And the interior is also Tim Holtz fabric. And I did not put pockets because I absolutely loved this fabric and I didn't want to cover it up. It's just too pretty. So this is part of Amy's kit, all these spooky people. And then there's a tuck spot here, and I've done some die cuts and some stamping. This is from Tim Holtz, just a little extra card you can write on. Move it this way. As I said, I've used some other digitals also. There's a little lady there, and they all have room to journal on the back. I've used lace. This is from Junk with Steph and her kit, her Halloween kit. This is Amy's. There's a little Tim Holtz person down there. Vellum, coffee dyed paper. Here are some tags. This is from Amy's kit. It's another Tim Holtz in loving remembrance. Another little tag. And this is an Undertaker. Excuse me, and this is Braille paper that I've tea-dyed. Bats. There's a little charm here that says Haunt. Sorry, ruffle. And a couple of pieces of ephemera from the kit. And then this little piece flips up so there's extra journaling space. Excuse me. Dictionary page with the definition of seance. Music paper. Little Tim Holtz spooky people. Used our die cut there. The Raven. This is Our Scary Tale. I don't know if you can see that or not. And the center folds have bead dangles. This one says Lost Souls. And these are some Tim Holtz people. Some black lace. This is a label, Apothecary label. There's an envelope here with paper in it. These are Tracy Fox labels. And then this is another little tuck spot here that flips down. So you've got writing space. This is from Ephemera's Garden. And we've got a Rest in Peace charm. This is Haunted. And this flips up You've got room to journal under it. We've got some more. This is Wicked. It's embossed on there. This is part of her kit. And 2 more little tags that come with the kit. Then I embossed one of the large Tim Holtz stamp moth. And then this page actually flips out and you've got extra journaling space. There's 2 little cards here with spooky people. And then there's a tag here that comes with her kit. And then this is just clipped here. It's a little tuck spot here with some tombstones and some poison label. This is a druggist. And this is an apothecary label that flips out. There's a tuck spot here with another one of the tags from her kit and a Ouija board with some writing space on the back of that. And a little die cut leaf. And this is the centerfold. And again, I love the way this plays the fabric off the kit itself with all the purples and blues. Another tag from the kit. Die cut. And I made, this is from Tracy Fox, the specimen card. And this is a little ghosty looking person. And then I just put some stickers on the back, or the Undertaker and the doctors and poison. Here's a seance, picture of a seance from the 30s. Magic circles, the seance, and then here's a spooky looking little boy with his ghost behind him. This came with the kit, and this is one of the pages from the kit. There's a little ghosty boy with a huge pumpkin. There's a glassine envelope with another one of the tags from the kit. There's another die cut. And this is from a Tim Holtz stamp. I kind of grunged it up a little bit and used some of the purples. And I've left all the little threads on there. Whoever gets this journal can certainly clip them off if you don't like them. And then this is an idea that I got from Carol Laws, and it's using the bank checks, and then I just flipped it over the top. This has an image on the back, and then there's an actual tintype card. This guy looked kind of spooky to me. This is from Utica, New York. Ferrotypes and gem miniatures. Patent multiplying camera, I think it says. Only at Jordan Brothers, Genesee Street in Utica. And then there's another couple of sisters with a ghost standing behind them. And then there's a journaling tag here. And then, as I said, that clips over wherever you want it to go in the journal. And then this is piano roll paper. There's another spooky hand here. And then this is the definition of ghost. There's an embossed cicada on there. This is from Graphics Fairy. Another little tag. I love the blue too. And then here's another little spooky guy, ghost, and then the little beads. It says Haunted Spirit. And then there's a little tag, a little charm here that says Ghost. Then this is from Tim Holtz, and it's got a bunch of little, like this is a Bowie Casket Company in different little tickets. There's a florist here, and then another undertaker. And then this is a spooky looking old guy. Ghost Post from Tracy, and then there's an envelope here with some more writing journaling space. Pocket here, a large tag, and then a smaller tag, and then another tag. And then this flips up, and you've got writing space there. And this flips out. There's a couple of little tags here, and a little picture here. And then this does come out, and you can reverse it and put your own picture on the back if you'd like. Another sorry ruffle, some remembrance picture. Another bag. We've got a couple of sisters. Looks like their brother passed away, and he's the ghost in the background. And it's a picture of an undertaker and actually a funeral. And then this is a tag that shows one of the angels that they have in the cemetery. And then here's the lady with all of her family behind her. And this, I've used Tim Holtz rub-ons to do this. The name is The Undertaker, address Regions Beyond, and the garment is coffins, caskets, and robes. Very chunky journal. There's a little spooky boy sitting there. And then this flips out for more journaling space, and there's a little tuck spot here with a guy's picture and another leaf that you can put somewhere in the journal. And there's another little spooky girl. And then the picture. And then this is another Ouija board, and there are 3 tickets here that you can write on. Solitary seance. There's another picture of a seance, and then a little photograph. Oops. And there's another photograph of all these people looking in the other direction, like they're looking at something out in the woods. And that's the last page. And again, here's that beautiful, beautiful fabric. There were a lot of little pictures that came with Amy's kit that I did not use. So I will be including those in a little glassine bag for you to decorate the journal with for whoever purchases it. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this. I just had a ball making this journal. It was a lot of fun. Thank you, Amy. Y'all have a good day, and it is available in my Etsy shop. Thank you so much.